Good morning, everyone. My name is Madhuri Shegavkar. I am from class MSc first year, Department of Chemistry. My seminar topic is SN2 reaction and effect on substrate. These are my contents: principle, condition, reaction and reaction mechanism, energy profile diagram and their geometry, and effect on substrate. SN2 reaction means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In another name is second order reaction. Principle: SN2 reaction is concentrated where bond making and bond breaking process should take place simultaneously. Therefore, every nucleophile substrate living together shows the SN2 reaction. Some conditions may there: a nucleophile must be good, leaving group should be better, reaction center of substrate should be sterically anhydride, nature solvent as far as possible solvent 2 must be polar asphotic so that incoming nucleophile can easily depart leaving group from substrate. Then reaction: hydrolysis of methyl bromide with hydroxide base in presence of DMSO as polar asphotic solvent shows the ideal example of SN2 reaction. See the reaction: nucleophile attacks on a substrate in presence of DMSO solvent. It gives product or leaving group. Then reaction mechanism: nucleophilic hydroxide ion easily attacked on electrophile, sterically anhydride carbon atom of substrate simultaneously. Leaving will depart from molecule, and as a result methyl alcohol results as a product with leaving group Br. Incoming nucleophile donates its lone pair of electron in an bonding molecular orbital of CBr from backside attack. This attack releases energy which is utilized to break CBr bond. Therefore, the energy is compressed in system. Here attack of nucleophile and departure of leaving group to the place simultaneously and processes the single transition state which is unstable. Once the transition state moves in forward direction, transition state collapse to product. Energy profile diagram. Then shows the energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram of SN2 nucleophilic reaction, substitution reaction. See the energy profile diagram. Y-axis represents the energy. X-axis represents or denotes the reaction coordinates. EA shows the present activation energy barrier decides the overall rate of reaction. Therefore, the rate of formation of product depends on the concentration of substrate and nucleophile. Then their geometry. In transition state is highly unstable and hypotheoretical, means imaginary, but when nucleophile approaches together the tetrahedral carbon atom, then at the transition state tetrahedral structure of carbon atom is flattened where the carbon atom is an pentavalent state where acting or attracting nucleophile and departing groups are partially attached. Therefore, its geometry appears as a trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Rate formation process. Rate formation process means therefore as a rate of formation of product depends upon the concentration of a substrate and incoming nucleophile. Hence, this reaction is second order reaction. And the second order reaction, both molecules are involved in the transition state. See the screen. Then effect on substrate. Effect on substrate means the change in substitution pattern of the alkyl halide results in a diagrammatic changes in the rate of reaction. Smaller alkyl halides like methyl bromide are faster, while more highly substituted tertiary alkyl bromide doesn't proceed to all. See the reactions in the screen: secondary, primary, methyl and tertiary. See the examples. Since see the SN2 reaction again decreases as a substituent around reaction center increases, then the antibonding molecular orbital will remains in hindered environment. Hence, incoming nucleophile will not donate the electron pair easily. Thereby, rate of SN2 reaction is decreases. Similarly, the substrate of alpha carbon atom increases and rate of reaction SN2 reaction is again decreases. See the example in the screen. Thank you.